If you want to take your gaming experience to the next level, a racing wheel with pedals is exactly what you need. These wheels come with features like adjustable pedals and manual gear shifters, all designed to give you a more authentic and thrilling driving sensation, making you feel like you're in a real race. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best racing wheels available on the market and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you're interested in seeing the current prices of each of these racing wheels, or if you wish to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out whenever you like. We begin with Thrustmaster T300 RS, a racing wheel designed for those who want a realistic driving experience. One of its standout features is its powerful brushless motor, delivering 25 watts of power for responsive force feedback, ensuring every turn and brake feels real during gameplay. The T300 RS is equipped with a dual belt system, providing smooth and uninterrupted steering. Additionally, it includes HORI magnetic technology, which offers high precision and ensures the product has an unlimited lifespan. Changing the wheel is hassle-free thanks to its quick-release system, allowing for easy customization for different driving styles. It comes with a 3-pedal set, but also offers compatibility with the TLCM pedals for a more tailored experience. The wheel also supports additional accessories like the TH8A shifter and the TSS handbrake, which can be purchased separately. If you're looking for an officially licensed PlayStation and Gran Turismo wheel that's also compatible with various gaming consoles, the racing wheel is an excellent choice to enhance your racing simulation experience. Next, we have the HORI racing wheel, a versatile option compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and PC, making it perfect for racing enthusiasts. One of its standout features is the ability to adjust settings and create up to 4 custom profiles through its dedicated app. The full-size wheel and optimized pedals provide an immersive driving simulation, allowing you to feel every turn and acceleration as if you were on a real track. With a 270-degree rotation angle and adjustable output options, you can fine-tune your experience to match your preferred driving style. For added stability and security, the wheel includes a sturdy clamp system that keeps it firmly in place during extended gaming sessions. The option to download firmware updates and make additional adjustments through the app enhances its appeal for gamers who want to stay up to date with the latest features. This high-quality racing wheel is officially licensed by Sony and combines multi-platform compatibility, advanced customization, and an authentic driving experience, all designed to deliver hours of fun on the virtual tracks. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the Subsonic racing wheel. This model features a 180-degree rotation, perfect for those looking for a simple and straightforward driving experience. It comes with acceleration and brake pedals, along with gear shift paddles to ensure smooth gear changes while gaming. This wheel is fully programmable, allowing you to adjust the buttons, paddles, and pedals to fit any racing game. For a more personalized experience, you can choose between 3 sensitivity modes: Arcade, Pro, or Expert, depending on your driving style. For a secure grip during gameplay, the wheel is equipped with 5 suction cups, ensuring a stable hold on any surface. Additionally, the anti-sweat coating on the grips provides comfort, even during the most intense races. This is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a programmable wheel with acceleration and brake pedals, and a firm hold thanks to its suction cups. It caters to different driving styles, offering a complete experience for racing game enthusiasts. We continue this list with the NiTHO racing wheel. This wheel is compatible with all major gaming consoles, making it a versatile choice for gamers. One of its key features is the realistic driving experience it offers, thanks to its precise 10-inch mechanism, which simulates the sensation of driving a real car. With a 270-degree rotation, the wheel allows for smooth and lifelike maneuvers. The anti-rebound system ensures that both the wheel and pedals stay firm, providing optimal control in every turn. Additionally, it's equipped with high-quality rubber grips that enhance comfort, making it feel like you're driving a high-performance sports car. The sturdy construction of the wheel and pedals guarantees precise and long-lasting performance, perfect for those who want a reliable setup. The built-in clamps and removable suction cups ensure stable mounting on surfaces of different thicknesses, preventing any unwanted movement during intense racing sessions. This is an excellent option for racing enthusiasts seeking a realistic driving experience and a durable build, ideal for enjoying the top racing games across multiple platforms. Next on the list is the Subsonic GS850-X racing wheel, a fantastic choice for those looking to fully immerse themselves in racing games on consoles. One of its standout features is the manual 6-speed gear shifter with reverse, perfect for players who enjoy having full control over their driving. It also comes with a 3-pedal set featuring accelerator, brake, and clutch pedals, offering a more realistic driving experience. The wheel has a 270-degree rotation angle and 3 adjustable sensitivity levels, allowing you to customize your gameplay to your liking. In sequential mode, its dual vibration motor enhances immersion, activated through the plus or minus shift paddles for a more dynamic feel. Fully programmable, the wheel lets you adjust the gear shifter, paddles, and buttons to suit your preferred game. Additionally, it's compatible with simulation seats, thanks to its mounting system using screws or suction cups for a stable setup. This is a versatile and highly customizable option, ideal for those wanting to upgrade their console driving experience and get the most out of their favorite racing games. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the Thrustmaster T80 racing wheel, a model that stands out for its authentic Ferrari design, inspired by the legendary Ferrari 488 GTB. If you've ever dreamed of driving a Ferrari, this wheel gives you that feeling, with a build quality that mirrors the famous sports car. One of its key features is its precise control, capturing every movement with great accuracy for a truly immersive and realistic gaming experience. It also offers adjustable sensitivity, allowing you to customize the wheel's responsiveness to suit any type of game or track. Another highlight is its easy setup, making it simple to connect and start playing without any hassle. And let's not forget its ergonomic design, ensuring maximum comfort during long gaming sessions so you can stay fully focused on your driving. If you're looking for a racing wheel that combines the authentic Ferrari design with precision control, comfort, and ease of use, this racing wheel is a fantastic choice to enhance your racing game experience. Finally, we present the Subsonic SV250 racing wheel, perfect for fans of racing games on PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and other consoles. Its main feature is its fully adjustable design, allowing you to program the buttons, paddles, and pedals either directly from the wheel or through the game settings menu, making customization quick and easy to fit your preferences. With a 180-degree rotation axis, it delivers a realistic driving experience, and you can adjust the sensitivity across 3 levels, low, medium, or high, to match your driving style. Installation is simple too. Just secure the wheel with the 4 suction cups on any surface and connect it to your console. The set includes 2 pedals, acceleration and brake, and 2 paddle shifters, giving you a more immersive racing experience. These controls allow you to feel like you're truly in control of a real car, with the added benefit of adjustable sensitivity for even more precision during races. If you're looking for a universal racing wheel that's compatible with all racing games, easy to set up, and fully customizable, this racing wheel is a great choice that won't disappoint. Well, that's all for now. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect racing wheel, or tell us which other racing wheels we should include in the next top list. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos from us. Remember, if you want more information and updated prices for each mentioned product, be sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.